Thank you for switching on the recording once again. So the link, you can share it on WhatsApp or on Slack, and people can actually look at it. Okay. Before that, could we actually open up what we called as the norms, quad norms?
Sorry?
Gitu is opening up the squad norms.
So
This is the values.
we are
The other
talking
one,
about,
Gitu.
right. Okay, let me.
What we called as the working agreements, to be very precise. Anyone having it handy? I know Gitu is the Scrum Master, but if you have it handy, you can also share it.
Yeah.
Right.
Thank you, Gitu. And what is point number 4 there?
For here on this meetings to do.
Yes, on the meetings to do's and don'ts. What is point number 4?
Clear agenda.
Right. Okay.
Do we have an agenda for today?
So agenda for today, I think we want to do our sprint planning, and the duration will be 30 minutes. We are already 8 minutes past it. So we have 22 minutes left. So we can try to wind up our sprint planning today.
Okay. Are all of you okay for a sprint planning meeting today?
Yes.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay, fine.
So here is our story.
Mm-hmm.
I added this image. It encompasses our 4 values,
Mm-hmm.
which will in fact enable us to build trust. So just a reminder, I think the visual reminders to help us. So this is about the mutual growth, that we are here to help each other and help each other grow. And then respect, openness, and commitment is what transforms a promise into reality. So if we honestly take care of these 4 values, then I mean, nobody can stop us from building the trust that we want to achieve in this sprint. So that is our goal for the sprint, right? And we did want to have a final commitment on what the goal. So from our last WhatsApp chat, I think we had a couple of options. So probably before we go into the stories, we can finalize a sprint goal.
Okay. So do we want to look at the stories and see if all the stories are relevant for the sprint and pull the stories and then decide on the goal? Or do you want to decide on the goal and then pull the stories?
Yeah, I think we can do the first way. Take a look at the stories, and accordingly, we can have a goal. I think that is more logical. But yeah, team can also pitch in their thoughts.
So goal is already set, right? The building the trust.
That's what I also think. But
Yes.
we want to minimize the scope in some way, I think.
Okay. Boundary.
Yeah.
Very good. So Mahesh,
Hi-
building the
hi,
trust
hi,
for
team.
each one of us can be different. So if you look at some of the cards which are there, Gitu, if you can open up, I think the second card, not our card, the other one there.
Hi, Anu. Hi, team. Sorry, I got a bit late. Sachin here.
Hi,
Hi
Sachin.
Sachin. Can we see you?
Yeah. Sorry. I think I'm really sorry. I think this meeting on Sunday, it was for my yesterday. Tomorrow I was busy, so that's why it was kept on today. But I'm sorry, I got a tad late. I just now came
Okay.
back home and logged in.
No problem. No problem.
No
Yeah.
problem. Sachin.
Okay. Gitu, can you open up Anish's story there?
Sachin, we need to see you.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, not
Yes.
this one. Look
I'll
at
have
the
to
other one.
be prepared accordingly.
Not this. Mm, maybe, I don't know if people have actually moved in. Uh, open up each one, Geetu, that may be easier. Sorry.
Yeah, actually, I know I
just
did
want
take a look at all of them.
perspective.
Our
I
story
want the
was
team to look at it. Geetu?
Sure, Anu. So this is the first one from Balvinder. It doesn't have
Okay.
any other details like we do. And in fact, I did take a look at all these cards. Only one story with Chandru
Correct. I want
has
to open up
some
that.
details.
Yes, I just
Yeah.
want to. Yes, come down. Yes. So, Mahesh, to answer your query on why we want to redefine the sprint goal, though our aim is to achieve trust, if you can look at it, this is put in by one person, right? And if you can look at it, understand the existing processes and tools. How many processes and tools are there in Agile? Anybody can put in a number there?
So we have 5 Scrum ceremonies.
Process and tools, not the ceremonies.
So I think I'm not very clear on what is a Scrum process.
Yes. We don't even know, but from the tools perspective also, there might be hundreds of tools.
Correct.
Similarly, from the process perspective also, there might be thousands of processes which are there defined. Similarly, if I ask, are sharing your knowledge with your team. What knowledge? I have got 22 years, near about 21 plus years of experience. Can I actually share my knowledge with all of you within one sprint? Is it possible?
No.
I don't think so. And I don't even think if I'm able to share it, all of you will be able to absorb it as well, because it's the journey, right? It is not just that, I'm telling something and you will be able to absorb. That's the very reason why I wanted to open up this card and show it to you guys, for you guys to understand the need on why we have to redefine trust itself in the context of what we are going to achieve. So the final aim is still trust. So every feature team is trying to achieve trust itself, but I don't think we will be able to achieve all aspects of trust in just 2 weeks' time. What are your thoughts?
I agree.
So essentially what we are trying to do is we have to define what is possible. What is that we are aspiring to achieve in 1-2 weeks?
Correct. Because it's just that we want it to be more reasonable, and you should be, all of us, should be able to look at it and feel confident that we will be able to achieve it. If I have something like this, some 20 items as my to-do list, uh, at least for me, I don't get sleep in the night, because I'll keep thinking that how on earth I'll be able to achieve it.
Correct.
Okay, so now handing it back to the Scrum Master. I think we were looking at the stories itself. So I just wanted to bring in why we need to redefine our own sprint goal. While the umbrella will be trust itself, the bigger umbrella is trust itself. And Gitu, now you can go through the stories, and then we can agree on the sprint goals.
Sure, Anu. So the other day when we met, we had created 3
Is
stories.
it that I'm not able to hear, or all of you are not able to hear?
I am able to hear.
Yes. Clear.
Can you hear me? Anu?
Yes, it's very clear. Mahesh is very clear. Geetu's, I'm not able to get it. There is a delay. So I don't know whether it's from my end or from her end.
Let me try to wear my headsets and see if that improves. Just
I
take
think
No,
I think
I think
Geetu
it
is
is
quite
better.
Geetu
Yeah,
is
now it
audible
is better.
clearly. Geetu, you are audible clearly, at least for me.
Yeah,
Hmm.
yeah, I can hear Geet properly.
Anu, is that okay? Shall we begin?
Yes, please.
Okay. So just to give a context to the folks who could not make it in the last meeting. So we had come up with these three.
So you are connected by two devices or twice you are connected.
Yeah, looks like there is some echo, right?
Yeah,
Is joined from mobile as well as on laptop.
laptop. Hmm.
All right. So the first story that we came up as a team was, as a member of the team Value Maximizers, I want to showcase the quality of openness and vulnerability so that I can build trust in my team. And so this story links to credibility and intimacy from the trust equation. So I think folks who were not part of that discussion, given we are very short of time today, can take a look at the video and the link that I have shared in our Slack channel. So you'll have like an idea to understand what this trust equation is and how the first story links back to credibility and intimacy. And so this is the acceptance criteria. Create my personal mind map and share it with the team. Each member facilitates at least one stand-up meeting and play one game in sprint to understand each other. So these are the three acceptance criteria we thought that will help us achieve the
Geetu,
story.
sorry to interrupt. Is this some update which has happened post yesterday's connect?
No, Sachin. This is when we met on Friday, I guess, Friday evening. This
Yes.
specific refinement meeting. And I think the agenda was set quite in advance, and Anu had shared it in WhatsApp as well. But
Okay.
we have a recording.
did.
I have a recording. I'll share it with you if you want to take a look.
Sure. Yeah. I think looks good. And no, I had attended the Friday meeting, but then probably I was multitasking, so that way
Correct. You might have missed. Yes.
Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah.
All right. So are we all clear with the acceptance criteria? I think Dheeraj, how about you? You also had to drop off, right? For some reason.
I think that's fine.
All right. So as a member of the team Value Maximizers, so this is the story too. I want to showcase the courage to give and receive feedback so that I can build trust in my team. And this story is dependent on story one. Why so? Because to give and receive feedback, we need to share our personal mind maps with the team. So that's how the story is dependent on story one. And it links to reliability and intimacy from the trust equation, because I am relying on my team members to provide me feedback. Acceptance criteria here is provide 2 positives and 1 area of improvement to each member, which we will take it very openly based on the personal mind maps by showcasing a growth mindset. So I think this is something we want to highlight, that we want to be in that positive attitude whenever we are receiving the feedback and also when we are giving the feedback. Creating and following up on growth plan is not in the scope of this sprint. So we wanted to be very specific on why the growth plan is not in the scope, because it will actually be throughout. I mean, this is a journey, right? We cannot just expect the other person to start working on the area of improvement in the same sprint. So that is why we have put that growth plan is not in the scope of this sprint. And the third story that we have is, as a member of the team, I want to showcase my accountability so that I can build trust in my team. And this links to reliability and intimacy from the trust equation. So that now how the story 2 and story 3 are different is, in the story 2, I am relying on my team to provide me feedback. But for story 3, the team can also rely on me, right? So I think we need to be, so acceptance criteria will help us being more clear. Help my team members proactively to achieve the sprint goal. Review each other's work, which is personal mind maps. Follow up with others if they have not provided the feedback, and provide feedback. Anything we should add here?
I think this itself is so much.
Right. And Anu had suggested that we are not compelled to take all these 3 stories. It's up to the team to decide how much we can digest in this sprint. It could be story 1 and 2.
I think
Or
story
it could
number
be,
acceptance criteria of story number 2, this may not be feasible at this stage. Maybe once we have done 1 or 2 sprints, then we should have some positive areas of improvements or positive feedbacks. It may not be possible at this stage.
right. And depending, so here we have asked that the feedback needs to be given on the personal mind maps. So the presentation that we have shared, right? So here we are trying to be specific. So in that case, Dheeraj, do you think will be possible?
Uh,
Or
that won't be much fruitful, because as of now we don't know each other much, so we can only see by the mind map. So I don't think we will be able to give you very constructive feedback at this stage.
right. Yeah. What does others think?
How do you define productivity or productive feedback, Dheeraj?
When feedback which can be used. Now looking at one's others, somebody else mind map, I may not be able to tell you what exactly improvement areas are. I think this may not be the time where we can give us some fruitful feedbacks at this stage.
No, I think it's not about feedback in the sense. I think we can term it as a healthy conversation where we are just showcasing our opinion, right? We are just giving our opinion there, I thought.
Yes, Sachin, that can be done. Only thing is, like, if I present my mind map, and then you will able to better understand. But looking at the one's mind map without understanding, that may not be much fruitful, I believe. Or if I present it, then you understand better what I want to say, how, why I wrote that way, or something like that.
Yeah, I think that's a good approach. I thought where we come and talk and present our thoughts and our
Correct.
kind of the way we want to kind of formulate our path ahead. So based on that, we can try to give some constructive opinions. I think it's like 1 positive, 2 negative. I mean, we are quantifying it, right? Is that needed, everybody? I'm like not sure. Do you want to put a number there? 1 positive,
Because,
2?
because we need to be specific.
Okay.
Okay, it is supposed to be a SMART goal. Okay, see, I understand what Dheeraj is telling is also true, that we cannot be accurate in our feedback. Probably what I think is an improvement could actually be undoing some positive skill of the other person. Because I am unaware of it, I might give. Okay, but our
So
goal
Mahesh,
is
like
to
it could be that, like, for example, you come and present your personal that mind, what is that?
Mind
I'm
map.
not done with,
mind map.
yeah,
Yeah.
personal
So
mind map. So, and then seeing it, if I have something in my mind that I can share, it can spur you on. It can give you some idea, right? So that ways,
correct,
I think
correct.
it's going to be beneficial for each one of us.
We
I
can
might not be
actually
thinking.
correct. We can do that. The discuss on this. So that's also an exercise of building an intimacy or a openness. So I am able to. I am open to talk about my map. Okay, and I am open to um, receive questions from you. You might want to ask me question to get clarification. I am open to clarify. Okay, and some suggestions also come. I will take leave, but I will respect that there is a team member who might give a space to give the feedback or a suggestion, and I will tell whether it works for me or it doesn't work for me.
Okay, so we have 3 minutes left. For this story,
So
So can I
I think
suggest one thing? If all of you are okay, can we move story two to story two to be the third priority instead of second priority? That's first suggestion or first uh, request I had, which is open for debate, conversation. The second thing is, while I don't know whether we have actually clearly called out that it has to be based on the personal map itself. You will be actually meeting 6 times, and some of you have already met 4 times before, which means to say by the end of the sprint, you have met up 10 times. You have had 10 interactions. With 10 interactions, will you be able to try and talk about what are some of the strengths people might have and what are some of the growth areas?
Yeah,
so
no, I think 10 meetings and the time span, that time span looks good enough to at least be able to voice our opinion or give a piece of the mind. Yeah, share a piece of mind rather. Yeah, I think that's fine.
it need not be called out as a feedback. It can probably be a discussion. So I spoke, so you listened, you asked questions, I explained, okay, and you suggested, replied. So it could be that instead of saying that one feedback I'm going to give and it is going to be negative and two positives I'm going to give.
Yeah, I think that's a valid point, Mahesh. And two-way, it can work two ways also. Like if Mahesh had something in his personal mind map, which can fuel some fire within me also, I can also get a new direction. And vice versa, if I had some good points which Mahesh thinks is going to be good, he can try to kind of build his thoughts around it.
Dheeraj,
so instead of writing two posts in one growth area, we can write.
we are going to discuss.
I mean, this we can also instead of writing two positive in one growth area, we can write presenting each other or something to know more about each other, something like that. I mean, objective would be the to know more about it.
Openly discuss about my map. Is that works, Dheeraj?
Yeah,
It
that,
Sorry,
need
that
not be
guys.
positive and negative feedback.
Sorry, guys. Can we actually look at the acceptance criteria, the overall acceptance criteria for this particular sprint? The second one there. Yes. So I know this is done. when I can share my observations, reflections on my team in these aspects: personality, skill sets, behavior patterns, beliefs, and process gaps. So there is no one who has called you that it has to be on personal maps, it has to be based on meetings, it can be anything, it can be just your reflections as well. But it has to tie up to this acceptance criteria.
So in that ways, with the theme, the acceptance criteria versus the story acceptance criteria, I mean story, what we have created, it is at least it is definitely encompassing both the positive side of it and the gaps also, right? So that way we have got it covered, I believe, Anu.
Okay, while we've got it covered, we also need to be confident that by the end of the sprint, we will be in a position to actually discuss that. And for example, let's assume that, I tell something and that something is not right. Nobody will hold me accountable, nobody will actually sue me for that, right? It's just a discussion. It is just we want to understand how well we can give and receive feedback. So the basic aim, underlying aim will be that. And over a period of time, over the 6 months course, we will get n number of opportunities to give and receive feedback, because I think we have put that in our working agreement as well. So we have numerous opportunities to refine ourselves on how we would want to give and receive feedback.
And one more thing, I think that the point that we are missing here, I feel right now, is the feedback need not be accurately right. It could be wrong based on my perception, okay? And it need not be accepted 100%, okay? It has to be honored. Okay, so I respect you as a team member, and I'm taking it. I'm not accepting it. I'm allowing it to happen. I'll think about it and I will talk about it. I may say, no, yeah, it is not like that. Your understanding is based on this. No, but there is other part of it also. I can tell.
Okay. On that note, Geetu, on the acceptance criteria there, do you want to just change the verbose there? You just say practice to provide. And then I think it will sound better for everybody.
Okay.
I think being a first sprint, we can have easy or lenient acceptance criteria. Later on, we can make it hard.
Agree, Dheeraj. Agree. So the practice word helps you relate it better?
Yeah.
Yes.
Super. Good.
All right, so team, what are the stories that we want to commit to for this sprint? Can we have a vote? Can we just take numbers, go off for 3? Are we good to do that?
I think I should be able to.
Yeah.
All right.
All 3, yes. I think so.
All right. So on the count of 3, just show me the fingers for the count of how many stories we want to commit to this sprint. 1, 2, 3.
3. Okay.
Sachin, you are saying 3?
Yeah, Mahesh. I think 3 is good. Yeah.
Awesome. I'll go with.
We can go for 3. Yeah.
Dheeraj, did you raise your hand or did I miss?
Yeah, I raised my hand.
Okay. Sorry. I missed.
Sachin, when are we going to see you?
Very soon.
I think it makes a lot of difference to have a voice and a
Yes,
face.
and it is part of our values. Okay.
Yes.
I love the way you are actually holding each other accountable. Bonus points to all of you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Anu.
Okay. While we are at this, because I spoke about bonus points, how are you planning to actually ensure that in this sprint you're going to earn those bonus points? Because the 3 stories you have put in would not directly talk about bonus points.
Right. So when I recall from the recording that was shared, right, from Sanjay, which talked about how we can earn the bonus point, one of the things that we could do is creating an artifact that we could share with others. So it's, I mean, the more we share our knowledge, that is being encouraged, and that's how we can earn bonus point. That is one area that I remember. Probably others can add if they can recall something on that.
I think that's all was discussed on that day, but I wanted to understand how are you going to create those knowledge artifacts and how are you going to share it? Do
Right.
you
We are
want
going
to
to
have
paste.
something listed here?
So that we don't miss it, right? Yeah. Thanks, Anuya. Okay. Shall we have a different story altogether for the bonus? Because I think we can have that as a stretch goal. Once we are done with this, and then shall we pull in that story? Or just we
Our first sprint, let's go with the minimalistic goal that we will do good job in 3. Okay, and do this best better. Okay, next sprint we will target the bonus.
Okay, Mahesh, many of other teams might be thinking like that. So this might turn in our favor. I mean, it will be, we will have easy bonus points if we do that, and also set a good example for others.
Do you guys already have one artifact ready which can be shared?
I think this can also be considered an artifact. And going through the stories of all the other teams, I think we are already way ahead.
So you already have it. So you need not have to share all the things, whatever you have written here, all the stories. Pick up one story, one of you. I leave it to you. Just pick up one story, then talk about, how you have given an acceptance criteria, how it is a SMART goal, and how you have come up with estimates. And one story sharing is more than enough for others to actually look at it, and it's up to them whether they would want to use it or not. But that itself is actually sharing an artifact. So don't keep thinking that if I say artifact, it has to be really, really huge. It can be what you're doing, the best practices you are actually following can get into as an artifact. Easy, difficult, views, suggestions.
That means we can reduce to one story from 3 stories.
Now, each individual can pick up one of these stories and do something more than the actual goal of the story. Probably, for example, feedback, we are talking, okay, we can find some tool that is very good for doing feedback, let's say. Okay, and one of us do some research and then give how we can use this, and probably we adopt it in this sprint and showcase that as our achievement and claim bonus for it.
Good idea.
Is that making sense?
So I think there is one model also, like we call it six hats discussion. I'm not remembering the. We can showcase that also, that we use this technique.
6 hacks, is it?
Six hats, yeah.
Hat.
Hats,
Hats, yeah. So something we can build a story against these six hats.
Hmm.
How we utilize this, or some
This 6 hats is for what? Dheeraj?
for taking any decisions. Like there are
Okay.
six different perspective of taking any decision, and each color hat takes a role. Like if I say black hat, that means I'm talking all about the negative aspects, and if I'm talking about green hat, then it's basically around the creativity. Six thinking hats. Yes, this is the one.
We are 6
Oh,
people.
super. This is a good one. I'm just conscious of the fact that this is a planning meeting.
Yeah.
So could we just agree on that we will strive to get those bonus points,
Yes.
and then we can look out for opportunities? I just wanted to tell you that, you need not have to invent a new world altogether to get those bonus points. What you're doing and what you have learned, sharing that itself can get you those bonus points. But having that thought process running behind helps you achieve that.
Hmm.
Okay, are we all okay with it? Sachin, Nishad?
Yes, Sana. Yes.
Yes, yes, sir. Yeah.
Gitu, can we actually put that as a separate story 4? And you just say it is a stretch goal. And then call it out that we will, how many, each one of you can come with one idea or 2 together. So we will just say we will share minimum 3 ideas as knowledge artifacts this time. Okay, that's a reasonable one. 3 is a reasonable one. And if you are not able to, anyway, I can.
3 ideas, we only bring the ideas, then how do we execute? How do we showcase?
So for example, the 6 hats, Mahesh, whatever you saw just now, it can be incorporated in one of the daily stand-ups. The story template, whatever we have already defined in the backlog refinement, can be shown as one artifact. So out of 3, you already have 2 artifacts ready. You're supposed to look out for only one, and obviously implement it within our feature team and then share it elsewhere as well. Possible?
So we are 5 people. So are you suggesting 15 ideas shall come and one of them?
No. Totally
three.
as a group, only
Total
3
3.
ideas.
Okay, great. Yeah. Now it looks okay. It was heavy actually. Which one will come up with 3? Are we talking? Okay.
No. The stretch goal is not to ensure that the rubber band breaks.
Breaks,
We
yeah.
keep the rubber band intact. Okay. And a quick call out that we are already 15 minutes.
I'm sorry, I'm not able to time box it.
No problem.
This discussion was also important for the team.
Yeah.
Yes. Don't worry about it. The reason why I'm calling out all these things, for example, bringing up the working agreements or talking about the time, is to ensure that over a period of time, we will get better at it. Not to actually say that we should all be perfect on day one. And if we all are perfect on day one, I don't think we would have attended this course.
We would have attended, yes.
Team, I think we should quickly story point this one as well. and in case we want to refine the story as well.
Okay.
So as a team member, I want to share ideas with other participants so that I can earn bonus points as a team.
No, other participant nahi hai, team, with the team.
Ideas with other, with
Other teams.
With the team.
our,
So with everybody. It's not like I'll share to Gitu.
Right, that's what, because that is, if we share it with all others on this program, right, on this ESM program, only then we can earn bonus points.
Correct, correct. No,
So
actually, other teams. Correct, correct.
yes. You can write it as with ESM team members.
Hmm.
So that way we know that it is for the larger audience and just not for our own team.
Right, yeah. And not sure if you want this one.
No, fine. And can you mention this as a stretch goal, Gitu?
Not yet.
Yeah.
So when we define our goal, still the goal is to, I mean, I think we will come back to that, right? As a team, we haven't decided yet. I mean, we know that we are committing to, but what is the goal statement, we are yet to conclude that. Before we do that, team story points. So our base story was this one. If you want to have a relative estimation, a base criteria of how the story that we are story pointing relatively estimates with the base story. We got to, I think, I'm sorry, I think I'm a bit rushing here. Now I realize we don't have the acceptance criteria. So what was the acceptance criteria? I'm sorry, please, can someone help me out?
For the stretch goal,
Yeah.
I think we will keep it like this. We are saying we are going to come up with ideas, okay, and we have to polish it to be showcased.
Okay. The acceptance criteria, Gitu, can be share 3 ideas. Three ideas to the wider audience, to the ESM team members. And in the bracket, you can share implemented within our team. And then comma, presentable, or Mahesh, whatever he said. Is it presentable? Create a presentation,
Yes,
but
yes,
I don't think
yeah.
everywhere it was presentation which is required. For example, the template, the story template, it can be shared as is.
Yeah, or we can have one slides for each idea.
Yeah. So the how many ever presentations and these kind of ideas are coming out, you need to follow those many processes as well. And one of you will have to own up creating it as a slide and then sharing it across. Okay. If this is the acceptance criteria, what should be the story points?
One, yeah.
Okay. Dheeraj?
I'm not sure, but I think I'm not sure about it. We can keep it one.
I feel so. One.
And how about Sachin and others?
Nishar?
It's one. I was the first one who told.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'll go with 1, 2.
yeah, I'm fine as well. Yeah.
Can I actually challenge, please?
Yeah.
So in the stretch goal, while the first one is your story definition, which is already defined there, the second one is 6 hats, which means to say somebody, I'm hoping that Dheeraj knows a little bit about it. He'll have to polish his knowledge, bring it here, get it implemented within our feature team, and then take it to the wider audience. And he also suggested creating slides for it, and then, giving a good makeover for it and presenting it. And the third idea is yet unknown. We don't even know what it is. So for me, the complexity is almost equivalent to 3 story points. The first one is the only one which is the easiest. The second and the third seems a little more complex for me. If not 3, I'll actually amend it to 2. Sorry, I'll amend it to 2 story points. Just because of the unknowns and the complexity.
Right.
Anyone wants to give it a 3, like what Anu suggested, or are we all good to go with the 2?
Keep it to
2.
Two is okay.
Based on these stories, what is going to be our team goal, sprint goal?
I think we have already collected some suggestions, Geetu,
WhatsApp group.
on WhatsApp. Yeah, that may be a lot more quicker.
Okay, so the first suggestion that we had was we becoming a credible, reliable team with evolving intimacy.
I just took that equation.
Okay, that was smart. And then for me, it was like very just the copy paste of the main, right? Because each story is trying to develop trust. So that was very strong.
Yes.
And at the end of the day, we are trying, why we are trying to build that trust is establishing yourself as a team member. So here also I had like,
so I would like to rephrase as ourself, not yourself.
Right, establish ourselves as a team member. So this is another suggestion. And then what Dheeraj came up was focus on establishing trust, credibility, reliability by nurturing, creating happiness and influencing each other.
Try to be a little elaborate.
Nurturing possible, creating happiness, I don't know. I'm very bad in that.
You are undermining that capability, Mahesh. I think you are already influencing us in creating happiness. So, Anu, how do we go about? Shall we just take a vote here? Or if there is something that stands out already, or you have any suggestions that can just guide us in the right direction?
Is Anu's video frozen? Yes, connection issue. Disconnected.
Today I tried something new. I'm sitting on the floor and
Oh, okay.
I just want to test myself how long I can sit this way.
How is it
So
going?
you have a mat or not?
Yeah, I have a mat.
Because if you sit on floor without mat, it is going to be a challenge.
I'm on the mat and it's almost 1 hour. I'm able to sit now.
Great start. Hey,
Anu
Anu,
is back.
are you back? Can you hear us?
Now I can. Sorry, in between there was this network issue. I lost.
No problem. So, Anu, we went through the suggestions that we all had.
Mm-hmm.
Now we were waiting for you to guide us and how do we arrive at a conclusion here.
What was selected out of the 3 or 4 which was already written?
They are all actually, they are all matching each other. Okay.
Okay.
I believe
actually
Dheeraj is encompassing everybody's.
I think so. But still, I will have to challenge little bit. But I think as a starting point, we can actually pick up Dheeraj's one, focusing on establishing trust, credibility, and reliability within the team by nurturing. So I was just wondering, how are you doing this? Nurturing, creating happiness, and influencing. Influencing is still okay because you are giving feedback, you're receiving feedback, you're creating personal maps that will influence others to reflect. So influencing is still okay. Nurturing and creating happiness, how are you doing, Dheeraj? Did you have
Nurturing
any
can
thoughts when you were writing that?
yeah, nurturing can be like we can understand the where skill sets we need to improve, and then we would be feeding those ideas. Like one we discussed just now, 6 thinking hats. So we will be discussing more on those things. So that way we can be nurturing the team that way.
Okay. So
And each meeting we would be maintaining some fun activities or fun, so that we can creating happiness.
are you guys happy with it? Because I don't think we have it in our working agreements with regard to having. I know some of the teams are wanting to do that. They're wanting to spend 5 minutes on playing some fun games. But in our case, I think we have one of the acceptance criteria defined as one fun game for the sprint for the whole 2 weeks duration. That will be for half an hour directly so that we can understand each other more. But now are we telling that every meeting we will spend 5 to 10 minutes for fun activities? That's also a good idea. But only thing is each one of you will have to take the responsibility to play a game.
Right. So when we say each team member facilitates at least one stand-up meeting, so that same person can prepare the activity, the fun activity. And based on
So we have 5 more sessions. So 5 of us are there. We can plan accordingly. But when do we do the fun game?
just a suggestion, having icebreakers also does help. So
Correct.
with icebreakers, we can start to build that bond. And sometimes if the questions are funny enough, I mean, they can bring laughter as well. So we can plan that way. And usually icebreakers doesn't take that long, like an.
I have no idea what it is.
So yeah, we can do that.
So shall we take out that one play one game? That is going to be too much, because we are diluting that. We are actually spreading our fun to all 5 sessions, 5 sprints from now on. Sorry, 5 stand-ups. Okay, so having one game probably may not be required.
What do others think?
Nishant, Dheeraj,
One,
Sachin.
play one game in sprint one will be okay.
See, think about it. We are 5 people. Okay, so 5 presentations we will be doing. Correct. So our mind map we are going to present. No, we are going to talk about it. So exactly 5 sessions are left. Okay, if we spread one for each. Okay, when do we do the fun game?
So we have how many? 6 more, right, to come? Since we are
5,
meeting.
no? 5.
No, we are 5, but we have 6 team meetings, right? Since we are
No,
meeting.
this week two more left.
And
Next week 3. So 5.
And also, what you'll have to consider is that next Friday is
Next
our
Friday.
Sprint showcase as well. So you will not have a normal session.
Correct. So instead of saying one game, we will say spend 10 minutes on every stand-up with the icebreaker.
We all
We could take this out here, but put that in the working agreement.
meeting. So it will fall under the meeting dues.
Yes. I'm sorry, I'll not be able to come on video. My network is really bad today.
That's
Understand.
Do we have any update about Bhaskar? I think he's not in the group.
Looks like he has not attended any of the sessions. So we will have to consider that he's not part of the sprint at least to start with. I checked with Nivarti yesterday. And 8 to 8:30, how many of you think that 8 to 8:30 is reasonable, considering that now you also want to have 10 minutes of icebreaker?
8 o'clock is reasonable because it's that is when we are free from all the work. No, nothing to do
Not
with the
that.
amount.
8 p.m. is okay. Half an hour, I don't think that will be feasible.
right. Shall we make it 45 minutes?
40 minutes. Zoom meetings will expire in 40 minutes. Huh?
No, I'll be using my link.
Okay, 45 minutes then. Yeah.
Yeah. Are we good, everyone, with 45 minutes?
Or we can make it 1 hour.
Okay. Or how
No,
about
let's make it 45 minutes. 1 hour is.
We'll extend obviously to 9 o'clock.
8 to 8:45 will make.
Duration would be 45 minutes.
Yeah. So is this okay? Is it clear enough?
This is okay, but that one fun game we have to remove. No, Gitu, we didn't remove.
Here it is not half an hour, it's 45 minutes. Duration would be for 45 minutes.
And 10 minutes for icebreaker. So we will have around 35 minutes for presentation and status discussion and that.
And I added this here. Shall I just move it to the working agreement in the declaration? Let's not miss out on the fun.
Yes.
I'll upload the latest one to the Slack. Quickly, are we going with the team goal that Dheeraj suggested, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, I think yes.
Yeah, so Anu, is there a way where we need to add the sprint goals with?
No. As of now, Gitu, what you can also do is in the Trello board itself, in the main Trello board, you can go ahead and create another board here. Create and plus symbol there. Yeah, create a board. You can do it later, but here you can create one more board and give access only to our team members. Okay, don't give access to anybody else. And then we will have a normal workflow defined with all those whatever we have agreed. There we will put the sprint goal also.
Yeah, sounds fine. So do you think that we have access to invite all 6 of us?
Yes. You can create a private board there and give access only to we or 6 of us.
Okay. Yeah, all right. I'll try. I will do that.
And just check the maximizer spelling everywhere, because I think we'll keep one word only, so that's for the consistency.
Right. Yeah, I have been very consistent because it is something that stands out for me. And but yeah, my bad. I didn't check when they updated it. I should have called it out there and then. Yeah. So we are good with the team goal. And so one more thing, I will create four different cards, right? As like 3 lanes to do in progress and done. We are yet to come up with definition of done. Is that needed, or can we also come up later? So many things.
While you are creating the cards in our private board, for example, if it's personal map as the deliverable, then we will have 5 personal maps in the to-do section. Each one assigned to one person. As soon as the person has completed it or he started doing it, you can move it to the in progress. You know, that's the catch up we will have every Wednesday, Friday, whenever we meet.
Right. So for each story, I will have to create 5 cards for each person, right?
It may be for the acceptance criteria, because story number 1 has got, I think, 2 acceptance criteria. So you will have to create maybe 10 cards for story number 1.
Oh, each story to have a different acceptance criteria so that we can treat it.
Story number 1 has only 5, no? So we have to create the map. That's the story, no? So 5 cards.
So what we will do is we will have, this is our main card. Whatever Gitu is showing now is our main card. This is on the main board. We will have one more board which Gitu will create now. In that we will have, so the personal mind map needs to be created by all the 5 of you, and it's an activity, individual activity. So she will create 5 cards, and as soon as you start doing it, you can put it in progress and then in review, because somebody will have to review and say that it is good, and then move it to done. So that is the part for that, and for each one of you it will be different, right? So you will, Gitu will have to create a card, Gitu will have to get it reviewed, Gitu will have to close her card. Similarly, Mahesh will have to create his own personal map, get it reviewed, and then close it. And that's why we will require 5 of them. Similarly, the next acceptance criteria is facilitating a stand-up. So now today, for example, Gitu as a Scrum Master has also facilitated a stand-up, so she can actually move it to done. But whereas the rest 4 of you have not yet done it. So she will create card for each one of you, and let's assume that that's an activity. Gitu as a Scrum Master, you will also have to ask who will own the next meeting. So let's assume if Mahesh is owning, so next Wednesday,
Once Mahesh completes this activity, he can move it to done.
Yeah, Wednesday I can do that. Yeah.
Okay, so ideally, I'm hoping that there is 3, 4, 5, and the last one is 3 ideas. You can just have ideas, Geetu, and not necessarily assign it to anybody. Based on whoever comes up with the idea, we can move that ticket.
All right, Anu. In a nutshell, I will need to create as many cards as the acceptance criteria are there for each story.
Correct.
Yeah, okay. Got it. Have we met our agenda today?
Yes. Well done. Though we have spent double the time we thought.
Right. And
But
there was
agenda is met.
awesome. Good to hear. And
I actually have a question for all of you. Could we take 5 minutes? Maybe Geetu, you can open up a card or something to capture as of now, and maybe we will make it as a habit. Every time we meet, the last 5 minutes is for the reflection. We all are here to learn. So we've already completed 4 meetings. So this is our 5th meeting. So what are some of the things which you guys have learned? We'll go one by one. If you have learned something, you can say you have learned. If you have not learned, that's okay. You need not have to say you have learned it just because we want to update it here. Is that okay if we have that as an agenda item?
Yeah, looks good.
This is something new for me, Trello board and all those things. I never worked on it yet.
So that is a learning.
Yeah, and another thing, like which if you go back to that sprint story points. Gitu, if you can move to the story points.
Trello board?
Yeah. So one more thing which I want to add, that story 1 is 3 story points, and story 2 1, that makes 4, and then story 3 is 2, 6, and the last story 4 is 8. That means we are agreeing on the 8 story points for this sprint. Total 8 story points are there now.
6 story points are actually planned,
and
okay,
2 are stretch.
Optional. Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this I wanted to just bring it. So we are agreeing on the 6 story points and the 2 as a stretch goals, story points. Okay.
yeah, thanks for calling out that, Dheeraj.
Okay.
Go ahead, Anu.
Sorry, can you open up a notepad or anywhere? Could you capture the learnings? I think Dheeraj mentioned learning the Trello board.
Yes, for me this is planning is totally new. I've only read in my books only. Never experienced practical.
Planning or Trello or both, Dheeraj?
I would say this kind of planning.
Planning, okay. Anything else to add on, Dheeraj?
Like how we negotiate on the story points to which will be covered. In fact, I have a PDF also which talks how sprint planning happens. I have read that, not fully, but I have read that book, that PDF, so I could relate this with that.
it was not planning proper.
Yeah, we didn't use that.
Just negotiating on the
Story points.
Story points and acceptance criteria.
it was not negotiating. It was challenging on how we arrive at story points because that's what the idea is. We didn't negotiate on it. And acceptance criteria is obviously negotiating. Okay. Anything else, Dheeraj, from your side?
No, that's all from my side.
Okay. Who wants to go next?
For me, all the points of Dheeraj plus sitting patiently throughout this meeting. Never planning meeting, I have never sat. I would have jumped to technical details, boss. If this we will do, that we will do. I would have lost my patience. That's an experience.
See, now my legs are paining, so I'm sitting on the stretching all those. Okay, any other learnings?
Sachin, Nishar.
For me,
Sitting patiently. So it's sitting patiently and actively listening. Is it, Mahesh?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Next one. Sorry. I think Geetu, you went ahead and asked Nishar. Nishar, you can go ahead.
what I learned is, see, adding the, like, playing a game in every ceremony or the event. So that is a new for me. I mean, usually we will do it only once in a sprint, even that very often, uh, not very often. I learned that that's a new thing for me. So playing a game in every session, so
Having
that
icebreakers.
we can have a fun.
But today we haven't done that.
Yeah, I understand.
Okay.
The idea itself. So
Yeah.
accepting the idea itself is a learning. Idea of having the icebreaker session during each stand-up.
And also I observed that, did we miss the DOD?
Yeah, I think we haven't defined a DOD yet, but we will focus on acceptance criteria for now. That is what Anu mentioned.
For definition of done, okay.
Yeah.
That's all from me.
Sachin?
From this today's meeting or in general until now?
Today's meeting.
Okay, because I was quite fascinated by that facilitation canvas that was showcased by Nivarti. Last meeting yesterday.
Last
right?
session.
Yes. So that was something new for me. I think all of these points that was discussed, I don't have anything specific that I could have added. Yeah, personal mindset is mind map is something new which I need to spend some time on that. I have not done it, but that's also a new thing for me. Can we include that here, or this is out of the scope for this meeting? I'm not sure, but
that is not part of the today's meeting, no?
Today's meeting, yeah. So I think I came last year, so I think all the points have been covered, and you could just make it +1 from my side, Geetu.
So I think personal maps can be added the way we added this thing. That's a new thing which Sachin has learned.
Yeah, because I saw Neeraj, Nishar's personal mind map, and then even Geetu. So those it's a new thing for me, I thought.
Yes, the credit goes to Anu. She brought it to all of us.
Yes, yes.
Definitely.
Actually, I learned. I mean, I know what is personal mind map, but I haven't done it. But it took me almost 2 to 3 hours to create that one.
What's the learning out of it?
There was a lot of reflection. I forgot the things which I did. So for that, for example, I was a blogger. I mean, when I was a system administrator, so I used to write all the AS400 system administration article. So when I moved to the Scrum Master, so I totally forgot that one. So it was a good thought-provoking.
Okay.
This is something I have added from my learning because this is very new. Very cool indeed.
I'll go next. Are we done with everybody?
Yes, you are left.
So much. I think what I learned is with the right attitude, we can actually create great deliverables. And the reason why I'm telling is with regard to how we have created the story template itself. When we initially discussed, even our own core group discussed, we were only talking about task, list of activities, etc. Right? And that definitely could not have led to so much of clarity what we have today. And that clarity has arrived because we are able to, all of you had the right attitude to discuss and arrive at consensus and then implement it. So kudos to all of you.
No, I think you're being very humble here. You were the shepherd, guiding us in the right direction at every minute, every time. So that is something I have learned. I don't know how to put it exactly in the words, but every time giving the feedback in such a positive way and also making us understand. I think that's part of being a mentor. You are too good at that.
Even challenging with an empathy. Okay, that is something I learned. I had 10.
True. Thanks. Yeah, thanks.
I've been seeing. Yeah, Anu is challenging us, but in an influencing manner. So we never.
Right. That's how we can do right without.
We never got defensive about it.
Exactly.
Okay, for all the challenge we took. Yeah.
I would still want to give all the credits to you guys because of the attitude which I've already highlighted.
Just to us team.
Lot of learning for one meeting, and we are going to have 5 more. Let's wind up.
Yeah, it's good that we have a good combination team. Everybody has their own skills and others experience. So I think it's a good. We have formed a good team now.
I totally agree. I mean, I feel so grateful to be a part of this pack here, and looking forward to this journey.
Same here, Gitu.
Anu, where should I?
Sorry, Gitu.
Where should I upload this learning?
There should be a log.
When you create a Gitu, have a column for learnings and then just put the dates there. That's it. Because finally, at the end of the sprint, we would want to, I mean, irrespective of whether we will earn the points or not, whether we will stand first or last in the game, it does not matter. Finally, these learnings is what we will have as key takeaways for ourselves. So that's why it is very, very important for us to have this captured somewhere, and we'll have to look at it.
So this can be a document in our SLAM, okay, and we will keep updating. So every meeting we will add the new learnings to it.
Correct. It can be in the Slack, it can be in the Trello board itself, another column. It can be in the learning portal, great learning portal
Right. Yes.
from Mahesh.
Yes.
It can
Yes.
be
Yes.
there. It can be at multiple locations, but it needs to be captured first and we'll figure out where to place it. If we don't have anything else, I think we should stop this meeting now. Right time to say good night.
Yes.
And Mahesh, next time you are the one who's facilitating, you will come up with the icebreaker as well because
Right.
you're facilitating. And Geetu, as an action item, you will actually take creating the Trello board for us and putting in the.
Yes. Go ahead, Danu. Sorry.
No problem, Mahesh. I was just telling, putting in the cards there so that people can move. So next time, Mahesh will walk us through the Trello board itself. So people can literally, pick up their card and move it, because we want them to experience what walking the wall is all about.
Okay, sure, Anu.
So Wednesday, one of us will have to present the mind map. Can we decide who? At least I think 2 would be better, because we have 5 sessions and 1 session we go for
maximum 15 minutes.
2 sessions, 2 mind map would be great. So who is going to present?
We can time box to 10 minutes per
10,
person.
Yeah, 10 minutes.
Then enough.
Yeah.
Okay. I can go ahead.
Okay. And one more?
I can also do it. One more.
Great. Since I have not created, I am not committing yet. So. Okay.
Okay. And Mahesh, I'll have to sync up with you offline on the learning portal. Do let me know when you have time.
Sure.
Participants had queries and they need to get precedence, and that's why I logged off.
You have 10 minutes right now, Anu?
Yeah. Yes, we can actually. I think
I'll share